I hope it's going to stand up there. I want to show you some stuff I bought today at Walmart. These are bugs for birds. It says tracks and feeds bluebirds, chickadees, grosbeaks, finches, titmice, and other insect-eating outdoor pets. Yeah, it says feed with mixed with wild bird food. What else? Ingredients: black dried soldier fly larvae, dried mealworms, dried darkling beetles. And I don't have any allergies. It says the things that you might be allergic to. It's for bugs. But I think that insects having more nutrition than anything else, I'm just going to go ahead and that's good. That's a larva there. Try to get a bug. It looks like they're crawling. There's two. They're crunchy. It says premium gourmet. So that's that. I also want to show you these mugs. I can't find these anywhere else but Pilot truck stops. They're about $3, but it's a nice mug. It's, you know, got a wide base. And when I go to Irving, New York, to get cigarettes at Seneca Indian Reservation in Irving, New York, there's a couple of my Pilot truck stops along the way, and I might get a few more, because I gave one away and one got started leaking, and so that's that. Another thing I wanted to show you, which I've shown you before, I got a lot of these today. They're expensive, but they're double layered, wild caught, and a Norwegian tradition since 1902. Extra virgin olive oil, double layered, 240 calories a can. And I usually have, it says 2-layer, 12 to 22 fish. Well, there's usually 22. And those Orleans I buy from Rite Aid on their dollar shelf probably have as many, but they're not, you know, stacked neat like it's in here. And I think all this stuff is good for me. I'm still tasting that good and bugs. I think are pretty good. So I should be able to, as I throw up here in a few minutes, I should be all right. Crunchy. They're crunchy. And while I'm working in the yard this year, if I catch a grasshopper, I'll just eat him. Wings and all, legs and whatever. Or a praying mantis. Okay, that's all I got. Take care of yourselves. See you later.